we fixed the door.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to be working on this door right here. So if you've seen any of our kitchen remodel videos, you've probably noticed this thing because it's pretty hideous. So today I'm going to add paneling on a flat door like this and just give it an updated look. So I'm going to start by giving it a good sand. The people before us probably have like a dog, it looks like. Maybe a cat. It's all scratched up. So I'm just going to give it a quick sand so the paint will stay and so that we can get out the rough parts of the scratches.
We have to sand it real good to get all that scratches out. Then we have to cut the wood and nail the arms and fill in all the holes.
So we're just sanding all the pieces of wood a little bit, take off the rough spots.
I locked this up. Someone's gonna have to go around. So I don't know the math behind this, but my distance here is 66 inches, and I have 4 pieces that I need to fit in the middle of that space. So I divide 66 by 5, and that's what gives me my spacing for center of all these pieces. Logic makes me think that you divide it by 4, but it's dividing by 5 to get you 4 pieces.
I think it's because it gives you 5 center pieces. See, like there's 5 of those.
Ah, that makes sense.
I am a math whiz,
I know.
wizard.
I've thought about that for years as I've come across that, and always thought like every time I do the math twice because it's like, no, it's gotta be 4 for 4.
Yeah, because you're breaking it into 5 sections. I feel like that top space looks bigger than the second ones.
Shouldn't. Unless I did something horribly wrong at this point. Oh my gosh.
What?
It absolutely is wrong. But I'm not really sure why, because 11 and a quarter, 11 and a quarter, and then the rest is like 9s.
I don't think it looks bad.
You did it on purpose then?
It looks like since the top and the bottom are the same. Let me see how it looks.
I wonder how that happened.
I don't know. That doesn't make any sense.
No, because it should have been 13 and a quarter, and then 13 and a quarter.
Oh, I know why. Because you didn't measure from the middle of this one.
Oh yeah. Oh well.
I think it looks okay still.
It was on purpose. I mean, it's just as well because that's right in the middle.
They've got to help paint it.
You ready to help me? Okay, now come over here very carefully. Where are you going to start? Alright then, okay, good job. Thank you. And don't get me, okay? You got it like that? Hold on tight to it, okay? Don't drop it. Alright, let's go with the brush. You ready? Okay, very, very nice. are going to be, Sawyer, is you're going to do this corner, stay just right in the corner where it's missing paint, okay? Okay, bud, that looks great.
Now I've got to put trim on.
Well, we didn't love the baseboard actually that Sarah picked out, so I just ran over to Home Depot. They sell a kit that's pretty cheap. I think it was like 20 bucks. Comes with the sides, comes with the top, comes with these little design pieces that can go in the corners. However, the sides are the same as the top, and I'm not a big fan of that look. So I'm gonna keep the sides that Sarah bought and put this as the top. Okay, let's shoot one right there. I'll hold it, you pull the trigger. Alright, let's do one more right there. Nice. Okay, let's have you hop down. Okay, Link. Link. Okay, now push it. Whoa, ho, ho. Alright, we need to do another one. Probably about right there. Can you push that one? Whoa, 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 Link. Nice job.
What does this do?
This is glue.
Daddy, Mommy was looking for that kind of glue.
When was she?
In a minute.
In a minute she was.
All done. And that's how you fix the door. That's how you fix the door.
So this week we decided to try ice skating. So far, we've got Maxwell in the stroller. Lincoln is not a fan.
Let's go to over there where you can sit down and have
Alright, you guys ready to go for a ride? You on there okay, Sawyer? Daddy's taking. I'm not really sure where Daddy's taking Lincoln. So what do you guys think? Do you like ice skating? You like it? Lincoln, do you like it?
You got ice on your skates.
No? Maxwell, you're all done? All done?
Max, you have fun.
I'll take him for another ride. Anyone want to go on a ride with me?
I will.
You want that mom, huh? She's coming. Link.